Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up MySQL on VPS with backups and tuning, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your VPS via SSH. Use an SSH client like PuTTY or a terminal window. Once connected, update your package manager to ensure you have the latest software. Run the command to update package lists. Next, install MySQL server using your package manager. On Ubuntu, this is done using the command sudo apt-get install MySQL server. During installation, you will be prompted to set a root password. Choose a strong password and remember it for later use. After installation, secure your MySQL installation by running sudo mysql_secure_installation. This will guide you through various security settings, such as removing anonymous users and disabling remote root login. Now, log into MySQL using MySQL root p and enter your root password. Next, create a database for your application. You can do this with the command create database your database name. Replace your database name with an appropriate name. Now set up a user account for your application. Use the command create username at localhost identified by password. Replace username and password with your desired credentials. Next, grant the user access to the database. Use the command grant all privileges on your database name *to username at localhost. After granting privileges, run flush privileges to apply the changes. With MySQL set up, it's essential to create a backup plan. Install the MySQL utility for backups if it's not already installed. To create a backup, run the command mysql root p your database name backup.sql. This will save your database to a file named backup.sql. For regular backups, consider setting up a cron job. Run cron tab E to access the cron jobs for your user. Add a line to schedule your backup, such as 02*** mysql root p your password your database name /path /to /backup $date plus \%f. This will create a backup every day at 2 a.m. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.